Alright. We got coffee. Essentially waiting for price to get to. Will these be the three areas of interest? Nice little demand zone. Yesterday's daily high. Yesterday's daily low. That's it. I saw this little beauty that you could call a. This is the 5-minute range. Could call it a little fake out sweep, but sometimes though, when that'd be tough to make money off that. I think calling that an edge. Oh yeah. I gotta cut the tunes for 1 sec. It's too quiet in my headphones. Alright, we back. Who's on the stream, man? Where are you from? Where are you from? How do you trade? How many years have you been trading? Are you hemorrhaging money, breaking even, or profitable? Let's say in 2025. Yeah, it looks like you just barely could have got a 1-to-1. No, not even. Gonna jump and do a little bit of backtesting on the side until we get a signal. It's a waiting game. Alright, I'll leave live price action there. You can't see the data. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. we got some nice wicks forming here. I like wicks. Let's put that up here. I want to make sure I can see everything. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Let's duplicate a small one. Yeah. Let's do this. So, here's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna test my chops on what I see in the morning. Where are we, May? Let's rock it. Okay, let's see. This is May 5th. I hate that delay on TradingView in their backtesting. Why does it delay? Just go. If you press next, just do it. Messy. Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna be ruthless on this one and just take them all. Oh, can't forget that there's something lining up here in about 2 minutes. If that closes green on the live candle, I'm in. Double bottom, 5 minute. That's all I need. But there's a lot of time left on this. What was it? Okay. I'm gonna say I would take a 1-to-1 here. So I can do this in my head, but if someone was watching this one day, I'm just gonna go like this. Usually I can do it in my head unless it's close. And just see. Just kind of testing theories. Okay, let's see if you get a push up from this engulfing bar. Cool. Done. You made 1%. E.g. 5-min sweep. Sure. Cool. So I'm only gonna do one trade a day. I could keep testing like multiple plays on here. Okay, what I might do is I might look for fun. See what other plays. So the other thing I had in my favor on this was the other thing that was in my favor was 5-min sweep was daily high low. Okay, so we did a long and we were at or under yesterday's daily low. Treating it as it's oversold and there's room to the upside. Okay. We missed something. Freaking look at that. Look at that. Market cipher tool. Boom. I just want to make sure it it printed correctly. Okay, so when does that thing print? You get a bottom here, but that's the first candle of the market. I'm not going to take that. Watch this. Boom. Wasn't even looking at this tool, but based on this, okay. And I had market cipher. Wow, I had it all. Market cipher. Bottom. Cool. Anyways, I'll see if there's anything else that I like. I'll click through it and just see if there's something that was worth noting, but I'm not going to record anything. So we've hit a level, we have it in golf. My bet is down, but I'm not recording this. Okay, cool. It seems like the first move's the strongest. I'm trying to make sense of that too. Like, it's hard for me to explain my edge, but it makes money. Not as much as I like, of course, but okay. Let's do this. Let's move quick here. May 7. Okay, here we go. Okay, what do we got? We are near the bottom of the market cipher. That's good. It's a wild candle. Wow. Ooh. Okay, I'm taking it. So this is called tweezer for me. Two wicks at the bottom there. So it would be something like this. Okay. This is the idea. It's only going to be 60% win rate on average, so that means every 10 I take, 4 will lose. And that would generate 4% a month if you took a trade every day. Okay, let's see what happens. Boom. That's freaking awesome. So I'm going to call this tweezer. Sometimes it doesn't work this well. Tweezer. I don't know. Just seeing what I notice. Was anything else in my favor? Not really. It was in the middle. I think there's a lot of momentum right in the beginning. So I get this kind of reaction. It's not off a little volume. It's a lot of volume. Because this is right at the US Open, right? That's about it. Okay. Next day. Oh, dude, is there not a quicker way to do this? Like, it should default back to. Why is it defaulting back to then? May 8th, 6:30. It used to save this stuff for me. I don't know why it's not saving it. Okay, what's going on in the live chart? Let's go back to live trading for a sec. Just for a sec. Nothing. So even if this closes green, it's tempting, but like let's tap into this, right? This or just even like yesterday's 5-minute range. There's a lot of volume there. Yeah, there we go. Let's push it down. That'd be better. Be better. Okay, let's what are we doing? Okay, cool. So we got 2 trades. Oh, I usually have charts here too. Oh yeah, it's over here. Okay, we got 100% win rate. Also, this is the best back testing. I mean, FX replay is good if you want fully authentic data. Just get a little win rate chart. This will give me my batting average. This is giving me my tally, and I just $100 for me just means 1%. So that could be $2,000 on a 200K account. Ooh, see, hold on a minute. Let's go back to live for 1 sec. No, I really want to tap in a little bit. No, I think I said it tweezers maybe. Yeah, we're still good. Which means we got another 6 minutes before we possibly have a trade. Okay. Okay, here we go. We lined up. Let's see what happens. So, we're at yesterday's daily high, so we're mostly short biased, but we won't skip a good long. Okay. So I was testing a theory earlier, but I'm not going to take this. But I'm just saying it aloud. If you had to pick a direction right now, I'm going to go short. I could be wrong, of course, but just because the daily high, but it's also going to hit like a double bottom So let's just see. But at one point I tested what happens when you get literally a color change at yesterday's high. That I'm not saying, and you know, but there's something there when price is up at yesterday's daily high. So you could have, let's see if this is a winning trade. Would this have been a winning trade? The idea would have been this. Okay, so this is a cool candle on live time frame. I just need one more. Give me one more, just like that. Or go lower. TP hit. Okay, so like something so stupid, like you could almost call that an engulfing bar. Right at the open, it's in yesterday's daily high, so we think we have room to the bottom. Boom, we would have had 3 winners, but I didn't take that because my past. Okay, let's see what data I did have on it. Reactions to previous day high. Color change. Column D. 58% win rate in September. That's 2024. Yeah, it's something. But that was like a, yeah. Backtesting's hard, man. Like there's so many. Oh shoot, where's my oh, I need to label this. This is gonna be called one trade a day, as if I was live. This is what I really want to know. Okay, something's lining up really nice on the live chart here, but we got 4 minutes. 4 minutes until it closes. No. Anything on the EMAs? Nope. Nope. Yeah, it's a nice golfing candle, but nope. So I definitely see things. Ooh. Yeah, let's do that. Ooh, just destroyed. So maybe a lesson is don't take tweezers in the middle of the chart. I don't know, man. Yeah, it was middle of a mess. All right, live trade here, potentially in 2 minutes. I'll just make sure we're all set up. Tools dialed in. Yep, I just gotta click a button. That's literally my trade I'm gonna take if that closes nice. It's gotta close nice. See, this is not gonna work. This takes too long. I gotta just flip to the next day, but it keeps bouncing me back. What day is this? The 9th. Dude, if TradingView added just a couple more features, you could wipe out FX replay. Where's yesterday's daily high? Right in the middle. Okay. That's my play. If it closes nice. It might not close nice. Right? If this pushes down hard in the next 30 seconds and it closes like a doji, or worse, red. Ooh, we also have the market cipher hitting a bottom. Giddy up. Yeah, I'll get in there. Okay. Beauty. Give me a nice little pullback. We're good. Okay, so I'm just checking now. Here's what I do. Stop loss 59. Profit 59. And here's the secret sauce right here. Get out. That's, for me, the secret sauce. Not watching my trade, and magic happens. Magic. Think about it. If it either wins or loses, I get the same result. But I didn't have to go through any of the emotional, not only like, it's not good to sit through that. Like, I don't want stress and anxiety and all that stuff. But, oh, I gotta get out of here. But the longer you're watching the trade, isn't there a higher chance you'll mess it up? And always the answer is yes. Yes, of course. The longer you're sitting there watching it, there's a chance you can emotionally react, or you name all the reasons, all the things you could do. Nice double bottom here, but it's a red candle. I wouldn't normally take a long. Got any other levels coming up? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's take this one. We got a low level here. Got a double wick going on here. I'm gonna go long here and just see what happens. Loser. So, and maybe we start to see a theme, right? Maybe we'll see a theme like, oh, when it's near the high and low, these win. When it's a solid tweezer, it wins. Call it a weak tweezer. Weak tweezer at level. Yeah, that's what we'll call it. Let's just see if we see anything else. Market cipher is going to print soon, I bet. Let's watch this. I'm not well, no, I'm doing one trade today, but let's watch this bottom here. See if it plays out. So it lost, but did you get any, if you went break even? Oh, okay, well, it according to back testing, it won. Oh no, it stopped out there. Okay. Better than the last trade though, so it still had some. What about the second one? Second one printed there. Dude, FX replay is a really good tool, but it's so much money. And this song sucks. Oh. Okay. Let's do this. What do we got? Nice candle, nice candle. Wow, that's a messy morning. Dude, this delay is the worst. Like, you click it and it just waits. Auto select. No way to change that, eh? Wow, that's a bad morning. No, we're done, but let's just see what happens here. Alright, so nice engulfing candle. Looks like it might have played out. Yeah, it did. Cool. So maybe these engulfing candles have something to it. That's what this was. The first winner. That's a tough one. Nice reaction to a zone, but I don't... Yeah, sure, let's take it. We'll short there. Yeah, beauty. So, zones are important. Top wick. Reaction to levels. Okay. Anything else we see on this for fun? Oh, when did that print also? That would have printed after that candle. Bonus. Okay, let's... Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. How do I get out of this? Okay, 2025. May 14? If you just joined the stream, I am done taking live trades. I'm just doing a little back testing just to see how the chops are and just kind of test out theories. Okay, so top wick's nice, but it's not in line with, it's kind of in the middle. Yeah, let's do this because I'm just kind of testing out theories. Like, I want to see. Oops, I don't have the result yet. Sometimes I watch things pass by and I need to test if they're real, so I'm gonna go short and see what happens. All I can call it is a top wick tweezer. Frickin' rights, look at that. It worked. So I'm not using the tool because I can just see that's more than a 1-to-1. So long wick tweezer. Cool. The other thing is right here, we're reacting off yesterday's daily low, so let's see if that gives us a win. I'm not recording it, but it freaking did. Very interesting. I should be recording these. I just don't want to take multiple trades in a day, because then where do I draw the line, right? But there was some really good data there I missed. What was the one where there's a second trade and I was like, no, whatever. Let's just stick with this one trade a day. Then you have a double top here on the 5-minute. Let's play that one out. Looks like it already won. That was nice. Okay. It's always tempting to click faster because I get impatient. Nice. So, I mean, there's a long bias because we're under yesterday's daily low as stated, but I didn't really see anything that was massively justifying to jump in. But you could say, okay, now I'm going to push us off the moving averages, but that's... Ooh. Let's give it a go. It's just back testing. I'll go long. Ooh, I don't think you got it. I think you... Nope, not quite. Depends where you would have got in, but let's call that a loss. And what are we going to call it? MA bounce big wick, which was nice. High low. Oh, I don't think I like this song. It's kind of obnoxious. Take it off. Okay, cool. I don't see anything else. Wow, look at her go. Alright. Okay, so far, you're only barely profitable these last couple backtesting weeks. Oops, too fast, too fast. What do we got going on here? Again, this isn't a play, but I just want to see if we get a push up after this. This is kind of holding the 5-minute range, which was built on this candle. Cool. Oh, and it printed a bottom. It printed a bottom. Shoot, I should have took that. Ah, oh well. My bad. That is a set of tweezers. Okay, I'm going long. Oh, but you're fighting yesterday's daily high. Oh well, go long. Nope, it's lost. Do 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 do. Tweezer. Yeah, it's in the middle. So I think I'm realizing, but you don't realize this until you backtest like this. Also, I think you would have got to break even, which I'm on the fence about doing. Yeah, you definitely went break even. A tweezer or whatnot is more powerful around a top or bottom, not in the middle, not a pullback and then a tweezer. But you don't know this still. But these bottoms are working really well. Oh, it's the 17th. Nice tune, but too slow. I need the right tempo. Let's just put me to sleep. Take that one off. Alright, let's see if we get a bottom print on this tool. Oops. Damn it. It printed there. Okay. Well, let's just take it. Let's take it. We're going to take this off a green print. We're going long. By golly. Oh. This isn't the day I want. What is happening? Sunday, May 18th. It still worked. I thought it looked a little funny. Oh, nice double bottom. Oh, I did call it. I did say that. But see, I wouldn't be at the charts that early. Dang it. That's nice. That's killer. So definitely a short bias right now. I mean long. Sorry, it's long. I need to get up here until I consider it short. Okay. I've also seen this theme that when it's strongly bullish, the short reactions are not as good. Let's see how this candle reaction does. I think it's gonna mess around and then just keep going. I'm just guessing, like nobody knows. Okay, I'm taking that though. That's nice. EG, I'm going short. That's all you need. Boom, that's a winner. But let's see if it keeps ripping up. Hung out for a while. Okay, so okay, so I don't know if anyone's seeing a theme here. Which ones have won? High-low is in my favor. High-low is in my favor. Solid long wicks. Reaction to a level. So middle, weak. MA bounce doesn't do well with me, but I did have the high-low in my favor. Messy middle. Okay, we're seeing something. Wait, did I get a print on that? And I got a print. I'm looking at this red dot right here. Time is at 7:22. Okay. I'm going to take this one long. I'm testing the bottom print. Let's see what happens. You're for sure break even. Did you get a win? Let's see. I can't tell. This is where I do have to break out the tool. Nope. But maybe we should be going break even. Then it ruins some winners too. Market cipher bottom. However, no, you can't find reasons it doesn't work. What else worked? That's 7 a.m. EG. Oh no. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, I'm gonna run this against, I think I'm addicted to this. I'm gonna run this against 7 a.m. EG. It's the 20th, so I mean, I can't believe how dumb this strategy was, but it worked. Right, I think that's a winner. Just barely. Okay. This is not gonna make sense to anyone else but me. That's a fair loss. That's a loss. Could have gone break even though. It's way past my trading time zone though. We don't take any of these. But no kidding. Yeah, we're just gonna, it's not in my trading zone. And that 655 candle gets me. I think you gotta allow that because I keep getting nailed by these. Wait, was there no trade there? Yeah, okay, so no trade. Dude, the 655 can. Oh no, you would have got wicked out. And again, this is in the freaking messy middle. So, I don't think we should be taking them in the messy middle. No. But when they're at the end of, like, I need a push up, like a move. Didn't technically close, so you don't get it. Just based on the rules I've set. No trade on that one. Alright, I got 2 minutes and I got a jet. And my brain's starting to get fried. Yeah, so that's an EG. I don't know if you got a win. Oops. Just based on my definition, EG. What is that, the 8th? Yeah, so this didn't do well either. Yeah, see, that's clean, man. That is some clean price action. This is not clean. So I think we'd have to find a way to do it only when it's clean. That's clean. So if that's frickin' messy, we just gotta not be in this. Yeah, I think that might be the name of the game. Stay out of this crap. Okay, let's call it a day. Let's look at our trade for fun, because I did, what's the word? I did not look at it, which was good. I got my set of tweezers here, so I would have gone like this. No, we lost. That's okay. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's what we took, right? Yeah, nice little double wick. Cool. Rock. But again, imagine if we were watching that the whole time. That's the worst.